All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. As you can see, the Shelby GT350 is not behind me because we're not in my garage. We're in my friend's garage with his Whipple S650. He just got the supercharger installed. He's been having a blast. I'm super happy he is enjoying it.
Flashback.
Stock baseline S650.
Yep.
And then blue is what his just made right now.
755.
Holding power all the way up.
And today we have a couple of things to get done. We have to do some quick maintenance because we might be going out to Mexico later tonight, and we are gonna be protecting his newly supercharged Mustang GT, courtesy of our friends over at REDTIGER with the F17 Plus dash cam. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this dash cam installed. How are you enjoying the Whipple S650?
I love it. That shit quick.
Yeah, it moves. It moves, man. Super important to have a dash cam out here in Houston because of the drivers. There's people that are literally racing down our road like it's a drag strip. It's insane. So you guys probably heard it already in the video. I don't know what's been going on. People don't know what they're doing, but this dash cam is elite because it's gonna have the ultra high quality daytime as well as the nighttime video. So everywhere on the car is going to be protected, front, back, and we also have a camera inside that's going to be facing you or the passenger as well, so you have full protection. Let's say you go ahead and take the car to a shop to get some work done, you can have peace of mind. What happened to the Supra when you had them pick it up?
Oh yeah, dude, they took that thing for a 14-mile joyride.
We had the REDTIGER dash cam. Woo! Yeah. You still got your money back, but
I did. It was annoying though, bro.
Oh yeah. See, that right there is why you need a dash cam, because people don't really think about things like that. Like literally, we have the front-facing dash cam. And obviously, we do have the camera that's going to be inside of the cabin. And we also have the rear-facing dash cam. So we are going to be fully protected everywhere on the car. Super, super important because Houston, it's a GTA server. It really is a GTA server, let me tell you that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and mount up the dash cam right here. And then we're going to go ahead and mount the rear dash cam in the back. We're gonna go ahead and wire tuck everything. You can go ahead and hardwire the dash cam if you want. The night vision quality is pretty good. Be a good gap cam.
I know. I might use it for that.
It'll be a really good gap cam.
It's better than the GoPro.
It is low key better than the GoPro. I ain't gonna lie, especially at night. Like, you can see everything, man. Like you can see the license plates, the street lights, everything. We're putting the electrostatic sticker here. So there's gonna be no interference. So you wanna put this down first before you actually mount the dash cam.
Oh, I should have got me like a credit card. Get it nice, push it on there.
Yep, let's go. And you can go ahead and adjust both. The camera that faces the cabin. I'm gonna peel that right off.
One on the other side too. It's kind of hard to see it from. Should have probably took it off.
I think we're good to go.
All right, got that.
There we go. Hey man, your trunk's missing. This man was not playing when he went boost, y'all.
That was on the first second day I bought.
I know, literally. Bought a brand new car to 10 can it out. All right, so we're gonna mount up the rear dash cam. I usually mount them like on the side, the passenger side, Where do you want to put yours? Like dead in the middle?
Well, where do you recommend? Because I was gonna put it in the middle, but I've never had one.
We can put it in the middle. Just actually, you know what? No, put it toward the side because it like these cars have like that Mustang, like the line of Mustangs in the center, and it's gonna probably obstruct your view. So I would put this like either on the passenger side or the driver's side. I'd put it on the passenger side because there's nothing that's gonna be actually blocking
And where's
the
it
view.
going? Up here or like on this one?
Yeah, you could put it like up here, or you can kind of put it like down toward the back. That's where I recommend it.
Down
Like,
towards the back?
yeah, just so like the lines aren't gonna be getting in the way and whatnot, so you have a clear view.
I'm trying to. This better be good placement.
No, it is.
It is?
Yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. Yes, sir.
Is there a specific way? Does this go?
Yeah. So now, when you want to mount these up, we're gonna mount it up like this way.
Should we angle it slightly left?
Try to get it center.
Okay.
Yep, try to get it center. Make sure you guys, when you're mounting up the dash cam, that the logo is like actually facing you, not upside down. Otherwise, the image in the video is going to be upside down. Not a big deal if you have like editing software that you can import the footage from, because you can obviously just flip that, but you want to make sure that it is facing the upright position just like that. All right, so we got the dash cam all wired up, the front facing dash cam. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the rear dash cam hooked up, and then we're gonna bring the car out, go for a drive, and go through all of the features, because you can control it through your smartphone, which is a massive W. Can pull the video, photos through your smartphone, so everything's gonna be pretty easy and convenient, which is awesome.
A few moments later.
All right, so we got the rear dash cam / gap cam hooked up. You ready for Mexico tonight?
Hopefully.
You about to catch everybody in 4K. You about to catch everybody in 4K. All right, you want to give them a cold start or a startup?
It's a warm start.
Yeah, warm start. We're gonna go over all the features. You guys can see it roughly. We have the 4-way recording, audio as well. Yeah, we got front, we got back, we got the cabin POV, and I got my POV. Hey, man.
Great, now I can get you 4K gap in your ass.
Oh, don't get ahead of yourself. Alright, so we have the dash cam all hooked up. As you can see, we have 4 different angles recording. Now on the app, you can go ahead and access the settings, and this is going to give you more customization. We have audio recording turned on. You can go ahead and adjust the video resolution as well, so you can record and the resolution that you want your footage to be in. You can adjust how long of a loop recording you want to have, 1, 3, as well as 5 minutes. I have mine set to 5 minutes. I'm gonna have that set up for my boy as well, because I feel like that's gonna be the best way to go about it. You can set up the speed unit, and you can obviously go ahead and set up the password, so you can have access to, you know, the dash cam yourself. I have my own password on here, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it up for him. But overall, very, very easy to go ahead and use the dash cam. You can obviously go ahead and have access to the video through the smartphone as well. So super, super easy. Let's go ahead and get a little drive, man.
That's just too much to start it like that early. I feel so bad, dude.
You're good, it ain't too much to start. It ain't too much to start.
I feel horrible if it's like after 10 p.m. Oh, look at the Audi wagon.
Yeah, go gap it. Pull up on him.
I love those cars. The Audi wagons, I love them.
Yeah, clean. They are clean. The quality's crazy. At night, it's crazy.
I know. I want to see it at night. I like how you can change all the orientations as well, like where it's. Like,
yeah.
You're seeing on the screen.
Yeah. Front, back, the passenger. So if you like, you know, are driving with somebody, you got that video too. Like if you're doing like Ubering or whatnot,
yeah.
You can protect yourself with the dash cam. I like that.
I'd use this thing as.
Or take it to a shop. Drop it off at the shop, leave it plugged in. It records inside the car.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So they don't do anything crazy.
And I feel like that's a lot more common than people think.
Oh, it 100% is.
It's Black Friday. People probably all going to the mall. Yeah, I don't be going out for that shit. I just want to get my radar detector on sale again. They have it listed for $550 right now. I bought it for $400 last year.
Because with the long tube headers, they're gonna have to go ahead and cut the X pipe again, so it's gonna be pushed further back with the headers, unless you want to header dump it, which I don't really recommend. That might be too crazy. But
header dumps would be wild.
Yeah.
That's what scares me here. They can ride around with it on.
I feel like they be BSing though. Those speeds.
Mark up the price and then mark it down back to what it was, and they'll be like, oh, it's 25% off.
That's what I'm saying, like, it's a scam, bro. Best Buy is a scam anyway. Because you can get, and I don't know, do they still price match Amazon?
I doubt it. I don't know if they do, but I doubt it.
Best Buy can't beat Amazon, so. Or what you do is, like, you go in there, you don't want to wait, like, if you don't have Amazon Prime, you can just be like, hey, look, on Amazon for this price. I don't want to wait for the shipping. You guys have it in stock. Price match. That's what you do.
One eternity later.
Back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. The F17 Plus dash cam, the quality at night is amazing. The quality during the day is amazing. My homie's car is so loud, it was kind of peeking out the mic, but hey, you know what? It will get the job done. If you want to protect your vehicle, make sure you guys check the top of the description. I have the REDTIGER F17 Plus dash cam linked. Be a great holiday gift for any car enthusiast. So with all that being said, if you enjoy the vid, if you enjoy the content, want to stay up to date, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. It's been your boy Ears, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.